I am Danny, and welcome to my channel, where my experiences become your adventures. Please subscribe if you would like to join me on my YouTube journey, and hit that bell so you'll know when I release my next video. Today I'm going to show you how I maintain my Sago Palms. I have always had a love for tropical, landscaped theme parks, especially Universal Orlando. When I visit there, I always find myself mesmerized with the various plant life that surrounds me. It has always been my desire to try to develop my backyard into my very own tropical oasis. To me, the Sago Palm is a great highlight plant for my developing tropical getaway. It is extremely easy to grow and provides a palm tree-like presence. A sago palm or cycad may resemble a palm tree, but it differs because its seeds are not produced inside of a fruit. In fact, this plant can be toxic to humans and pets if ingested. Periodically, growing out of the top of the plant, where the new palm leaves sprout, male sagos produce a pollen cone, and the female produces a round, feather-like sac which contains seeds. These are its reproductive means of producing new plants. I try to remove these growths when they develop. If I want to grow more sagos, I will remove a rogue suckling from the bottom of the trunk and simply plant it. But lately, I've been removing and disposing them. Since it was the end of the summer and I waited a little too long to regularly maintain my sagos due to other projects, I am going to remove all the fronds in addition to the cone and the seed sac. I will use protective gloves while handling the Sago Palm because the sharp spines of the leaves and the trunk needles can cause serious hand injury. Hey there. They may look so pathetic now, but in a few days, new palm leaves will blossom. It is the upsweeping look of the new fronds that I prefer, but it is up to the homeowner on how they want to present their own sagos. Well, I sure don't want to get stuck by these needles right here. It'd be pretty painful. I hope y'all enjoyed my video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up by hitting that symbol that looks like that. Please subscribe by hitting that red button that looks like that so that you'll be able to hit the bell notification and know when I release my next videos. Also, go to Danovator, that's my channel, so you can see some of my other interesting videos. I hope y'all have a great day. See y'all the next time.